Well, it's running, but it's running like crap. I think it's a bunch of clattering from lifters, and I think the rod too. I think I might shut it off. It sounds horrible. Yeah. I think that's a rod knocking. Lifter as well. Boy, oh boy, that sucks. They had good fucking oil pressure too. At least it did when I was looking at it. Now the oil pressure is at 60. I was hoping it was going to clear up, but it doesn't seem like it's going to. That sucks. Okay. I don't think it's charging either. That's another problem.